Hi everyone, I'm Cynthia Treen, and welcome to my channel.
Today, Ratty here will help me make some miniature working pencils. They're a perfect accessory for the characters in my book, Wind in the Willows Felt Friends. If you're missing anything you see here, see the post for supply details and substitutions. These tiny pencils are quick to make and a delightful treat for anyone who loves miniatures. So, let's get started. To make the pencils, we'll be rolling and gluing leads into printer paper. Shorter lengths made neat rolling easier, so I broke them in half. And I made the paper slightly narrower than my lead, which allowed me to see that my first wrap was tight. Begin by folding the paper's end. Then, with a toothpick, add a bit of tacky glue into the crease. Place the lead into the glued fold, then trim the excess, leaving only enough to cover the lead. Press the fold, then finish securing the paper snugly around the lead with a toothpick and set it aside to dry. A bit of dry time helps so the paper and lead don't slip and shift with wet glue. When dry, apply more glue to the length of the paper beyond the secured lead. The paper is overlong, so don't glue the entire length. The extra paper just gives you a good handhold while you work. Then roll tightly. Depending on your lead size and paper thickness, how much you roll may vary. So see what looks right to you for the scale of your scribe. I have a collection of small punches and found that a 2.5 millimeter worked to create the erasers. To attach the eraser, I used Zap Gel glue and a micro tip and applied a tiny dot to the pencil's end. I painted the pencil, allowed it to dry, then, for a glossy finish, applied a coat of clear nail polish, and used a metallic paint pen to draw on the silver band. And last of all, I sharpened. Now, Ratty can settle in to write his next story. Okay, folks, that's it for today. Stay tuned for more felt and craft tutorials. If you liked this video, you know what to do and how to follow. If you'd like to visit my Etsy shop, become a Patreon supporter, or share a one-time tip on Buy Me a Coffee, you'll find links to all of those and my socials via my link tree. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy stitching.